Hey everybody, this is Ryan. If you're looking for a headlamp light cannon that'll last 14 hours, this video is for you. It does come with a head strap that goes all the way around 3 ways. So when wearing it, it can be put on. You don't have to have a head on, but just from a reference standpoint, can be put on like this, so it's nice and in place because of the top band. When being worn, it does have a hinge, so it can be pointed down or up based on wherever it is on the head. It does also come with a built-in zoom feature, so this can go all the way down to, let's just say, a very fine point. It does have a USB for charging, and then the power button, these are all kind of watertight right here. Is a USB and USB-C as well. And when on, it does have a LED live percentage of the battery. This thing will last 14 hours, which is pretty awesome. 3 settings. It has quite bright, and then it can zoom, so full to zoom. Very, very powerful. It is a bright white color, more like a daylight, 6,000, maybe 6,500K, but definitely a very bright white color. Also has a dimmer color, so there's full, there's dim, and then there's a strobe effect. Very, very bright. Comes with a USB to USB-C. Also comes with a port for charging. This is constructed out of a aluminum alloy, and it doesn't get warm. I mean, for as bright as it is, I mean, if it does get warm, it's not noticeable. And I think that's important, especially when it's being worn on the head. It does also have a padded area right here, just give a little extra comfort, especially if you're not wearing it with a hat or anything like that. To really show how bright this is, I mean, it is illuminating. I mean, for something that's only about for something that's so small, that the raw power of what such a little bitty headlamp can do is quite remarkable. From a pinpoint standpoint, I mean, it is just, I mean, it's like a laser. I mean, that's just pretty cool. In the example here, what's being illuminated is about 150 feet away, and just lights it up. I mean, that's pretty cool. This is in the dim mode, and this would be the strobe mode. Pretty cool. And there's the percentage. Now, full disclosure, this company sent this to me and said, Ryan, I don't think people have a full appreciation for how bright this headlamp is, and I would agree. Hopefully I answered any questions you might have about this very, very cool headlamp light cannon, and we'll talk to you soon.